Hello and welcome to another tutorial in Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about two ways to reverse a list in Python. Okay, imagine we have a list of different numbers like nums 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first way to do it is by using a built-in method in Python called reversed. Okay, let's do it. I will make a variable called rev_nums and I will call reversed and I pass in the nums into it. If I print out the rev_nums, I save it and I run it, here you can see that I have a reverse iterator, list reverse iterator, which is an object. So basically, if I want to use it as a list, all I have to do is to cast it to a list. Okay, I save it and I run it. Here you can see that I have the reversed list 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's talk about the second way. Basically, we are going to use list slicing with a reversed step. Look at this. rev_nums2, I'm gonna have nums. I'll have from the first of the list until the end of the list, and also I have the steps. So if I put the steps -1, we're gonna have something like this. rev_nums2, I print it. If I run the code, here you can see that I have reversed the list again. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more Python tricks, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.